instead of if I used C of X in this class, cost function, same thing, you probably see it over and over again, so know the difference. C of X, cost function, R of X. Business majors, you should know this, right? No?
Revenue.
Revenue. S of X, and it works as to what S would stand for. Sophomore year business major, finance major. Is there one here? All of you are freshmen? Lying to me. Yes? Everyone is a freshman? No, go ahead.
Is it sales?
Sales, good guess.
Salary.
Salary, good guess. Supply, that's what's your name? What's your name?
Matt.
Matt?
Matt, yeah.
Kelly. I forgot your name.
Me? Lily.
Lily. Well, I got the lead part
Yeah,
right.
yeah, you're close.
D of X, any thoughts? We can go back to Matt's because you have the answer.
Demand.
What? Demand. And lastly, P of X. Profit, price. Here is a question. I didn't talk about profit at all. You know, if you have a business, we want to have profit. Why would you start a business? I did not specify the profit at all. Why? What does profit mean to you? That's an easy question. Alex. Profit is revenue. Don't make that mistake. It is a common mistake. People look up revenue and automatically come to the conclusion, oh, that must be profit. Not true.
Revenue minus cost.
Revenue minus cost. How much money you put in, how much money you go back. I would love for profit in my business to equal revenue. I spend nothing, but I keep getting money. Right? Doesn't happen in reality. So I don't know if we can look at it, but profit, that's about the function of X. Also, if you own a business, should you only focus on profit? No, we're not. And there is another important thing that we've got to look at.
The loss.
Laws. So I'd like to know about laws too. But is it necessary to define a loss function separately? Or can I just make do with this? Some of you are shaking heads. Why?
Because if it's a negative profit, it's a loss.
A negative profit would automatically imply loss. How would I get a negative number? Cost is bigger than revenue. So you spend $200, you end up getting $10, negative 190, you lost money. So you don't need both profit function as well as the loss function. That is sufficient. Any questions? Good. Basic terminology, not just for linear functions, but in general, in this class, we will see all of these over and over. Are we clear? So make sure you understand.